Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop for another exciting episode of Bob TV. I know you guys are needing your fix, so here you go. Alright guys, yeah, I got the F-18 all put up. Don't worry, I ain't working on it. I did strip it though. Oh, hey, I want to show you guys this. Okay, this is the wing swing mechanism out. It had a bunch of that old grease in there. It just turned to glue, man. All this was locked up. But anyway, you know the wiring diagram I was needing for this, and I had a fan send me a drawing and a link to a video he made. It's in my favorites if you guys want to go look at it. But it's a real clever little design. Just takes a 3-position switch. I happen to have one. It's already got a forward and reverse, and this is out of that little cordless drill that I took apart that first time. Forward, reverse, and I looked up I just googled 3-position switch on the internet, and I got a bunch of them. Some that's already got reverse built into them. Some you gotta wire up yourself. This is already reversed. But why can't I just plug this into there and do away with that remote control car speed controller? I just have to have a servo move this. I'll take this off and rig me something up, or get one of them other switches and use a servo. That's off in the center, so I can swing the wings and go back, off my 3-position switch where I got it now. The thing I don't like about the remote control car is to swing the wings, you actually got to go twice. So you got to move it twice and then once for fully out, because remote control cars, the first time you hit it, it's the brake. Second time you hit it, it's reverse. And that's what swings the wings in a Tomcat. But I should be able to just plug this switch right in here. They got 2 different plugs on them, but I'll rig them up and put the switch in there, plug a battery in it. Same thing, right? See, because these already got the diodes in them. There's one, the other one's right there. I thought that was a plug, but no, them were the diodes. And should just be able to hook a switch on it and get rid of that speed controller. Huh? Am I right? I think so. And my buddy Bill is on his way to the Best in the West there in California. No, I can't go this year. He was trying to handcuff me to the trailer. Well, I can't make it. But he did drop me off another box of missiles. That missile mount I was needing? Bam, there it is. That goes on the side of the fuselage up by the cheeks. Phoenix down there, sidewinder there, baby. But what I need, I got another one of these deals, go on the back of the fuselage on the bottom. I doubt if I put them on. Another set of drop tanks. Another. I got 2 sets of drop tanks and some more missiles. Okay, what I'd like to do, these ones, put a screw in it. But a couple of them are damaged. But see, I've got enough of these. And these, what I like to do, he said these are off his F-18. But I've also got some more in the house, some bigger missiles. I think it was off my F-16. But I'd like to make some Phoenix missiles out of these, or them bigger ones I got. I got some bigger tubes. But I ain't got the time. But if there was someone out there that wants to make me up some missiles, I can send him these. I want them looking as scale as possible. I know there's lots of model builders out there that love to do this kind of stuff. and maybe make me up some Phoenix missiles and paint all these up to where they look scale. I'll sure send them to you. You know what I mean? Now, I got this canopy hinged, and what I got to do is I got to cut out the backs of these, because these go up and hit them. This canopy's got to open a long ways, and won't click. Vanilla wood, the Tomcat is and everything. I already got this side done. Now to get them wires in there, I couldn't get them straight enough. I ended up having to drill holes here and just go all the way through, and filled them with epoxy when I was done. Then I took the wires. I ran my wires, then took the high saw and glued it all up, baby. And then, because these have got to be removable, right, guys? These have got to come out. Really, painting, I don't know, just all this stuff is nice when it's removable. So I got my wires in here, and I got a L-shaped bins on them. I'd get the camera in there and show you, but there's just no way. But they was glued solid, man. I couldn't budge them. So I took my soldering iron, plugged it in, and just set it on that wire for a minute. Then reached under there, boom, came right loose. So I can get them out now. I can get the pins out. They're both loose. And get them out. Now, I got to cut nice, square, neat holes in the back of there. And I can't get my vibrating cutter in there. Don't want to go from the inside and just chop it. So this is what I did on that one. It came out pretty good. I'm going to use my old drill. Drill a bunch of holes, kind of right there at the top. Connect the holes and clean it up with my file. Popped right out of there. Now, just head it. Get it fixed too. Bad right there. I can get it a little better when I pull them wires out. Bam. Okay, now I got to cut a little bit out right here. Shows that in the plans too. this when this goes up. It just rubs barely. Just barely rubs. See, now I got grooves cut in there. I just put me a little epoxy on there, not much, just a little bit, and put the other piece on. Probably tape it. Just tape this on there. Okay. Then I could, to make sure the distance right, when I glue them up. We don't want to glue them and find out we glued them in the wrong spot. Know what I mean? And once they're glued, I can take my pins back out, pull it out, and glue that up a little better, fill it, sand it all nice, and clean up them holes a little better when I get them pins out. Yeah. That's nice right there. It's just rubbing right there. Right there. Alright, bam. I'm going to keep trucking. I'm going to get this thing glued in and get the air cylinders, get the locks in there. Flip it over. Start on the gear doors today. I got the front and the back done. That's done. I need to put this air cylinder in there, but it's pretty simple. See, it's all done. And then I could start on the gear doors. Bam. So I'll make you guys some more videos today. I'm going to keep rolling and get this thing whooped out so I can get the glassing on some wings here this week. And yeah, I'm going to get on that Mustang, get that wing glass, get all this wing, get this stuff glassed and get the priming. So we'll be back with more from the shop.